war is no longer just about soldiers and tanks. It's about AI, autonomous drones, and smart weapons making decisions in seconds. From Endural's Lattice AI system, controlling the battlefield, to drone RF Hunter detecting enemy drones in real time. From advanced systems like Guardian and Mira Safety CM, 8M, to deadly precision weapons like Rafael Spike Firefly and modern mortar systems. Today, we're diving into the most advanced military technologies that are reshaping modern warfare. This is the future of war. The Rafael Spike Firefly stands as a groundbreaking compact, tactical loitering munition engineered to transform contemporary combat dynamics. Compact, featherweight, and extremely easy to transport, this small unmanned aerial system is specifically tailored for dense urban fighting scenarios, where pinpoint accuracy and constant vigilance prove essential. It supplies immediate battlefield insight, direct target neutralization, surveillance, and tactical intelligence gathering, granting ground troops a decisive edge in engagements. Fitted with cutting-edge electro-optical and thermal imaging sensors, the Firefly functions independently or under simple guidance from a lone operator. The platform supports an all-direction blast fragmentation payload for accurate hits or an interchangeable extended power pack for prolonged operations. Boasting strong velocity, extended reach, and superior capabilities, the Spike Firefly offers unmatched adaptability and precision, empowering armed forces and security units to react swiftly and decisively amid intricate and demanding battle conditions. A mortar represents a remarkably adaptable and potent indirect fire armament employed by armed forces globally. It consists of a smoothbore barrel that propels high-explosive projectiles along high trajectory paths, enabling strikes on targets concealed by structures, elevation changes, or natural cover. This steep-angle delivery method renders mortars particularly effective within intricate and obstructed combat zones. Characterized by their light weight and ease of transport, mortars are typically managed by compact teams capable of rapid deployment, engagement, and displacement as circumstances demand. Such agility renders them indispensable for both attacking maneuvers and protective fire support. Available in multiple bore sizes, most commonly between 60mm and 120mm, they accommodate a diverse array of munitions, such as high-explosive, obscurant smoke, illuminating flares, and precision-guided variants. Renowned for their straightforward design, consistent performance, and ability to deliver swift and sustained fire, mortar systems continue to serve as a cornerstone of contemporary infantry tactics and artillery doctrine. The Guardiari's RF Hunter serves as a state-of-the-art counter-UAS system engineered to identify and follow aerial threats instantaneously. Created by Guardiari's, RF Hunter continuously scans the electromagnetic environment across the battlespace, swiftly detecting radio transmissions emitted by FPV drones and the remote controllers directing them. Through precise analysis of the incoming signal bearings, the platform determines the exact geographic location of the drone pilot with high accuracy. This capability delivers a substantial operational edge to security personnel and military units engaged in anti-drone missions. The proliferation of weaponized FPV drones, often laden with hazardous ordnance and operated from standoff distances, has emerged as a major hazard in current warfare. RF Hunter enhances battlefield perception and accelerates reaction times, empowering teams to rapidly detect, monitor, and neutralize adversarial drone operations before they can inflict damage. Endural Lattice represents a state-of-the-art defense platform engineered to counter the escalating danger posed by drone swarms with exceptional accuracy. Driven by sophisticated artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms, it autonomously identifies and categorizes unmanned aerial vehicles, distinguishing genuine threats from benign objects such as birds or commercial aircraft. The platform achieves comprehensive 360-degree surveillance by fusing multiple sensor types, including radar arrays, electro-optical and thermal imaging cameras, plus acoustic sensors, enabling precise, real-time tracking and immediate data analysis. Operators benefit from a user-friendly dashboard that provides instant notifications along with concise, decision-ready intelligence. Highly modular and scalable, Lattice can safeguard military installations, national borders, civilian airports, and other vital infrastructure assets. Upon positive threat verification, the system activates tailored countermeasures, ranging from electronic jamming and GPS spoofing to kinetic intercept solutions, neutralizing hostile drones swiftly and reliably. This positions Lattice as a frontrunner in next-generation counter-UAS technology. The Guardiari's BANS, Battlefield Anti-Aircraft Non-Lethal SHORAD System, offers a cutting-edge air defense approach that safeguards troops without expending any ammunition. Rather than deploying actual projectiles, BANS mimics the signature of a missile launch to deceive an incoming aircraft's missile warning and detection sensors. This deception compels the pilot to eject flares, chaff, or other defensive measures, thereby diminishing the aircraft's combat capability and interrupting its objectives. Battery-operated, user-friendly, and economical, the system lends itself to broad distribution throughout operational areas. It integrates seamlessly with manpads, conventional short-range air defense setups, or can be affixed to remote weapon stations and unmanned aerial vehicles. When paired with complementary defensive layers, BANS markedly boosts the probability of mission accomplishment. Initially revealed at Eurosatory 2022, it introduces a fresh, more intelligent paradigm for contemporary air defense strategies. Pulsar represents a highly capable lineup of software-defined electromagnetic warfare platforms created by Enduril Industries. Engineered for contemporary combat zones, Pulsar leverages sophisticated artificial intelligence to rapidly identify, evaluate, and counter emerging threats in near-instantaneous timeframes. Thanks to its modular architecture, the system can be installed on terrestrial vehicles or airborne platforms, enabling it to perform an extensive variety of electronic warfare operations. Within its compact footprint, Pulsar integrates a software-configurable radio transceiver, a powerful GPU accelerator, and substantial heterogeneous computing resources. This combination supports RF machine learning techniques that classify signals, interpret the surrounding electromagnetic environment, and swiftly adjust to previously unseen or novel threats. With drone systems, counter-UAS measures, and jamming capabilities advancing rapidly, mastery of the electromagnetic domain has grown essential. Pulsar provides immediate spectrum visibility together with prompt and potent defensive responses, allowing military units to retain the initiative and preserve superiority within ever more challenging and congested operational settings. The Mira Safety CM-8M serves as a top-tier full-face respirator crafted for military operators, law enforcement professionals, and civilians requiring robust defense. It offers dependable safeguarding against chemical, biological, radiological, and nuclear (CBRN) hazards, proving trustworthy in highly dangerous scenarios. Equipped with an expansive contoured panoramic visor, the mask delivers an exceptionally broad and unobstructed field of vision, up to 92.5%, enabling users to maintain full situational awareness constantly. Its user-friendly, ergonomic construction guarantees all-day comfort during prolonged wear. An integrated speech diaphragm ensures intelligible voice transmission, and its compatibility with standard NATO 40mm filters plus various attachments provides versatility across diverse operational needs. Constructed from resilient, premium-grade materials such as bromobutyl rubber and polycarbonate, the CM-8M is engineered to withstand harsh environments, delivering reliable, enduring protection precisely when it's needed most. The SBGH DITA stands as a state-of-the-art self-propelled howitzer that is redefining contemporary artillery operations. It merges exceptional destructive power with outstanding maneuverability, establishing itself as a formidable asset in modern combat. Central to its design is a high-rate-of-fire 155mm gun able to deliver accurate, precision-guided munitions with overwhelming lethality. Yet DITA goes well beyond raw firepower. It incorporates a completely automated loading and firing mechanism, enabling a minimal crew to manage operations with high efficiency, thereby lowering fatigue and accelerating engagement cycles. Mounted on a rugged Tatra 8x8 wheeled platform, the system demonstrates superior cross-country performance, tackling difficult and uneven landscapes with confidence. An sophisticated ballistic computer and fire direction system guarantee exceptional targeting precision, complemented by comprehensive crew protection features for enhanced survivability. Additionally, DITA serves as a forward-deployed command post, assimilating battlefield information streams to provide immediate tactical insights and decision superiority.